Hop in, let's talk. I'm gonna sit here with Gal.
Oh, this is nice.
Woo! Like my new car?
I like that one.
This is amazing.
You're gonna have to unlock me though, since you're on over there. So to do that, there you go, you got it.
What do you think?
You've had a bug before.
This is awesome.
So this car is really special because it was custom done for Callie Parmley to enjoy when she's ready. Okay. So I'm going to take you on a drive in a little bit. Hey John, come in close so you can hear me too. I just want to tell you guys kind of the story about it. So here's the deal. I got this car in September, 2 weeks after Herbie got hurt, and I've been working on him with students and me and a lot because it wasn't in that good a condition. Right now it's got a new windshield. It's got new wiper blades. I rebuilt the CD boots that are common failures, and inside was all redone nice and detailed.
Is this the bug you were saying you had at school?
No, that you saw the red one. I never mentioned this to any of you guys. The engine had some issues. It wouldn't pass emissions. It had the wrong wheels on it. 2 tires were shot. The brakes were wasted. Now it's all good. And I've gone through everything, and it may have a little oil drip that we can take care of in the future, little stuff.
Okay.
But this car is awesome. I want to show you some neat things about it.
Please drive home.
You may, but I want to show you some things. Okay. So, real quick, stick your head over this way, like you're going to lean over here. Okay.
What do you want?
I'm not going to.
Like here?
Hey Garmin. Hey Garmin. Take a picture. Maybe it's because we're not driving. Usually it pops up. Hey Garmin. Hopefully it got all that in video. I don't know yet. So anyways, usually you say, hey Garmin, it'll pop up. Oh, there it is. Take a picture. So don't touch it. It's all hardwired.
You might have to write the name somewhere because I'm going to forget it. And I'm going to be like, Gaiman? Garfield?
So
Where do you see it popping up?
You have to come over here. It's hidden.
You can only see it from
I
this side.
hardwired it so that you don't have to mess with it. But I got to warn you, there's the connector right here. It doesn't like to plug in. It's pretty fussy, and it's attached here. So just don't touch it.
Okay. What about my mirror? Can I adjust my mirror?
You can adjust the mirror. Okay. But here's the deal. It's rolling. I put a big SD card in it, and it rolls for like 20 hours.
Yeah, and then it retapes over, right?
Right. So if you ever had something that I need to look at,
immediately, yeah.
You let me know, and then we get the video. So just don't mess with it, because I've adjusted. I spent a lot of time like wiring it up, hiding it. You know how a lot of times we're in a lift ride and there's crap hanging? This is like, primo install. Remember I told you before how expensive it is to install? I did it all right. So up here, you've got some cool things too. You've got a little sunglasses thing here. Look at this. You've got the 2 glove boxes I told you that you sometimes can get. Look at that. We have heated seats. Most of these don't. In the front, the chrome grille and all that stuff, I put all that stuff in for you because I want it to look awesome. I love you. You're welcome.
Does it stick on the back too?
Okay, your smile picture didn't come out. When you're done, you're going to lick my way and smile.
I'm so excited. I've been so nervous leading up to this. I spent all day polishing and cleaning, checking fluids.
You're done sweating.
You're welcome.
Sweating this.
I love you too. I've been worried because of the location. It's next to this trailer, the flat tire, and I've done a lot to keep it safe. You're welcome, honey. It's already got insurance on it, plates, emissions. It's ready to be driven.
Isn't that cute?
You're so welcome.
Oh, is this why you kept mentioning yellow bugs?
You happy?
Yes, I am really happy.
And it has another, here, check this out. This, I don't know if you have an adapter for it, but you've got a cable here. I think this is for, I don't know, Apple something. Also, you've got an aux plug here, and it's all Bluetooth set up. So I've actually had students pair their phones and make sure it sounds good and everything. It's got a nice stereo system.
Look at the pretty yellow trim.
I know, I'm just looking at
Like gorgeous.
Can I take a photo of it?
Oh, of course. Let's get out and get some photos of all of us.
And then can I drive it home?
Well, of
please?
course, yeah. I've got it. That's why we really needed everybody here.
So cleaned up in it. That's a lot of business.
If you come over here, Kelly, the sun is sitting right here. It's a good spot. John, now you know why I wanted you to get the truck parked so nice today? I had a lot of moving parts to make sure we got it. Yeah. I'm going to put my sunglasses down here. Let's do it.
If I drive it home and everything's good.
Sure. I'm sure there's going to be some little things that, I have not driven a car very much. It's sat out here. I've tried my best to get it all ready for you. But here's a couple things I just want to point out, John. These heritage wheels, I love. Now, when I got the car, it had a honeycomb thing. It didn't have the chrome trim rings, so I bought a brand new set of chrome trim rings. I had to order one wheel to match. There was a lot of fitting together and making things. There was a fender marker on the other side that was unattached, and I had to fabricate and make a bracket. So you wouldn't think that I spent 6 months working on the bug, but I actually did. And I want to tell you a little bit more about Bumblebee, though. So I'm going to turn it off and show you something. I also need you to know that Bumblebee is retired. Okay, he was once an Autobot. Okay.
Oh, this was that was yeah, wasn't there like?
And when he was an Autobot,